Have you ever wanted to create a professional interactive presentation that takes your audience on a journey across the entire planet? Most people think Google Earth is just a map for finding their own house. But today, I'm going to show you how to use it as a powerful creative engine for building high-end projects and immersive tours. We are going to go from a blank screen to a fully customized presentation that looks like a big-budget documentary production. Imagine presenting a project where you fly from the Eiffel Tower to the Great Wall of China with smooth, cinematic camera movements and custom informational slides. You can add your own photos, custom descriptions, and even map out complex travel routes using professional tools. By the end of this video, you will have the exact skills needed to create, manage, and share these projects with students, colleagues, or clients anywhere in the world. Before we dive into the creative tools, we need to understand the workspace layout so you can navigate efficiently. To start your journey, open your web browser and navigate directly to the official URL at earth.google.com. This is the web version of Google Earth, which is extremely powerful and does not require any heavy software installation on your computer. Make sure your internet connection is stable because Google Earth streams high-resolution satellite imagery and complex 3D models in real time as you move across the globe. Once the page loads, look for the sign-in button and log in using your primary Google account. This step is absolutely critical because all your projects, tours, and custom placemarks will be automatically saved to your Google Drive. Logging in ensures that you can start a project on your office computer and continue working on it from your laptop or any other device without losing a single piece of data. Now that we are inside, let's practice basic movement by clicking and dragging anywhere on the globe. This allows you to spin the Earth and explore different continents and oceans manually. If you want a more dynamic experience, try clicking and giving the mouse a quick flick before releasing. You will see the Earth continue to spin on its axis, giving you a beautiful cinematic look at the planet's surface. Zooming is another essential skill, so find a location you like and double-click directly on it to fly closer. Each double-click brings you one step closer to the ground, revealing more details like city streets and individual buildings. You can also use the scroll wheel on your mouse for much faster and more precise zooming, which is perfect when you're trying to frame a specific shot for your project. When you need to find a specific landmark for your tour, click on the search icon in the upper left corner of the interface. Let's try searching for a famous location like Eiffel Tower and hit enter on your keyboard. Watch how the camera automatically tilts and flies you across the world to that exact spot, providing you with a high-quality 3D view and an information card on the right side. Before we start saving locations, let's explore the layers options located at the bottom left to change how the map looks. By default, you might see borders and labels, but sometimes you want a cleaner look for your presentation. Clicking the Layers button gives you full control over what is visible on your screen, allowing you to hide or show everything from country borders to small local roads. Inside the Layers menu, you can select the Exploration view to see major landmarks and roads, or choose Everything to see detailed transit information. If you want the most realistic view possible, try the Clean option, which removes all text and lines, leaving only the beautiful satellite imagery. Experiment with these different styles to find the one that best matches the professional tone of the project you're planning to create today. One of the coolest features in Google Earth is the 3D buildings layer, which you can toggle on or off in the settings. When enabled, major cities transform into full three-dimensional models, allowing you to see the actual height and shape of skyscrapers and monuments. This is vital for projects because it adds a sense of depth and realism that a simple flat map just cannot provide to your viewers. If you are working on an educational project, you might want to turn on the grid lines layer to show latitude and longitude. This adds a scientific overlay to the globe, making it much easier to explain geographic coordinates and locations to your students. It looks incredibly professional during a presentation and helps viewers understand the exact global positioning of the landmarks you are showcasing in your tour. You can also customize your map by clicking on the custom settings to toggle specific features. Here, You have the ability to turn 3D buildings on for a more realistic city feel, or toggle the photos layer to see real-world images captured by people at specific geographic locations. Another amazing visual feature is animated clouds. When this is enabled, you can see real-time cloud patterns moving across the planet as they do in real life. This small detail adds a tremendous level of immersion and dynamic energy to your tour, making the Earth feel alive. Now let's move on to the sharing features. If you click on the Slideshow button in your project panel, Google Earth will start a full-screen presentation. It will fly you to each of your saved stops automatically, using the exact camera angles and zoom levels you captured earlier to tell your story. While in slideshow mode, you can easily navigate between locations by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Pressing the right arrow takes you to the next landmark, while the left arrow goes back. This gives you complete control over the pacing of your presentation while you are speaking to your audience. When you are ready to share your masterpiece with others, look for the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button opens a dialog box where you can manage who has access to view or edit your project using their Google email addresses. If you're enjoying these tips and want to master more advanced tech tools like this, please take a moment to subscribe to PC Error Detective. I upload detailed guides every week to help you solve common errors and unlock hidden features in the apps you use every day. If you want to share your project with a wider audience, you should change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. This makes your tour public so that anyone who has the URL can view your presentation directly in their own web browser without needing specific permissions. Once you have set the access, click the Copy Link button to get the sharing URL. Now, you can easily paste this link into an email, a messaging app, or post it on your website. Just make sure the role is set to Viewer, so that others can see your work but cannot make any unwanted changes. Now let's explore some additional creative tools. If you want to add a new point of interest manually, select the Add Place Mark tool from the toolbar and click anywhere on the map. This is perfect for highlighting specific spots that might not appear in a standard search, but are important for your tour. To outline an area or show a travel route, you can use the Path or Polygon tool. Click multiple times on the map to connect different points and create a visual line. This is an excellent way to show the boundaries of a region or the long journey that an explorer might have taken across a continent. Once you have finished drawing your path, you can save it directly to your project just like a regular place mark. This allows you to include complex shapes and custom routes in your slideshow, adding a much deeper layer of geographic context to your professional digital storytelling experience. If you need to provide more detailed information that doesn't fit on a map, use the Add Slide feature. This opens a full-screen editor where you can type in large amounts of text, titles, and descriptions. It's the best way to introduce new chapters or provide background history in your tour. Combining these tools allows you to create a seamless journey that mixes high-resolution satellite imagery with custom informational slides. Whether you are creating a project for school, a business presentation, or just for fun, Google Earth provides all the resources you need to look professional and organized. For advanced users who want to save their work locally, remember that you can export your entire project as a KML file. This allows you to back up your hard work or open it in other mapping software. It is a vital step for ensuring that your digital storytelling remains accessible even if you are offline or using different platforms. Now that you have learned how to use layers, sharing tools, and creative elements, you are ready to build amazing tours. Practice by creating a small project today and explore the hidden features of our planet. The more you use these tools, the more natural and powerful your presentations will become over time. You have now transitioned from a beginner to a pro Google Earth project creator. I hope this comprehensive guide has empowered you to tell your stories in a whole new way. If you ever feel stuck or want to work even faster, Google Earth has a built-in help menu and keyboard shortcuts list. You can access these tools at the bottom of the interface to learn advanced navigation tricks that will make your professional project building much more efficient. For the ultimate immersive experience, enter Street View by dragging the Pegman icon onto any highlighted blue street. This allows you to explore locations from a ground-level perspective with a full 360-degree view, making your audience feel like they are actually standing right in the middle of the scene. Since all your work is linked to your Google Drive, you can find and open your Google Earth projects directly from your Drive dashboard. This seamless integration ensures that your professional presentations are always backed up and accessible from any device, anywhere in the world, at any time. Let's explore the 2D and 3D toggle button, which completely changes your perspective of the map. Switching to 3D view tilts the globe, allowing you to see skyscrapers and natural terrain as if you were in a helicopter. This adds a cinematic depth that makes your interactive presentations much more engaging for your audience. The compass tool is one of the most useful features for professional navigation. You can click and drag the compass ring to manually control the heading and tilt, allowing you to face any direction for the perfect shot. If you ever get disoriented, just click the Reset to North button to instantly return to a standard view. Search in Google Earth is not limited to famous landmarks. You can also find exact street addresses and even specific houses. Simply type the full address into the search bar and hit enter. Watch how the camera flies you across the globe and settles right at the doorstep of your target location with high precision. The Your Location tool is a quick way to relate your current surroundings to the global map. By clicking this icon, Google Earth uses your browser's GPS to fly the camera directly to where you're standing. It's an incredible way to start a personal tour or show students how their own neighborhood looks from space. Congratulations! You have now mastered every essential navigation and creative tool Google Earth has to offer. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.